Hey gang, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restorations. Today we got another Tootsie toy. This one's one of my favorites. I got it from Charlie over at Big Charlie Model Garage. Thank you, Charlie. It's a 1950s delivery truck, panel truck, whatever you want to call it. Beat up, chipped up, but it's all there. So let's see if we can spice this one up a little. Got to remove the burr on the end of the axle. There's not a lot of detail, I know, in these, but there are procedures if you want them to last longer, and the axles are one of them. Being as I'm the king of the Tootsie toys, self-proclaimed that is, I just love them. Into our favorite stripper, Fifi La Citrus. Gonna have to add some more to the jar. It's getting a little sluggish. There you go, all covered up. Shake for good luck. Clean up the axles. Tires a good scrubbing, some hot soapy water. Do a little fire bluing on the axle to do some rust prevention in the future. There's a lot of stuff to do on these Tootsies, even though there ain't much to them. If you want them to last another 50 or 60 years, heat them up red hot or close to it, dip them in the oil, and it instantly puts a black or blue coating on them. Little tire wash. Bring back a little bit of the faded out color. I lost the footage after these dry. I put a little tire shine on them. It's a little jig I made to cut equal or close to equal sized pieces of the brass tubing. It slides over and becomes part of the axle stops. See, the one was a little sharp. I pulled it out a little soon. Keeping the wheels from flopping around, sliding down the axle. For those of you who like the stripper action, I pulled this out about 20 minutes later. After a good wash, this is what she looks like. Put her on the wire wheel. I had a few people mention in the comments that they thought this was the wrong way to do it on this big wire wheel, but in reality you could touch this wheel while it's going, and it's just hard enough that it doesn't tear up the vehicle or the car, but it won't hurt you if you stick your finger on it while it's going. Nice shine. I sprayed the initial first coat with that diamond flake glue that I had from Pester. I sprayed the initial coat, or the final coat, with my homemade urethane paint. Painted over the end of the axle. Here's a better look at what those little brass fittings do on the axle. Put a little super glue on. Slide that over the super glue. Spray it with a little activator. Those, like I said, just keep the tires from flopping down the axle and wearing out the tire. Look at the sparkle in that paint job. Here's what we started with. Play worn, chipped up. That's what we ended up with. Sparkly blue paint job. All the details put in. Check out Matchbox Mark's decals he sent me. I put my logo on there. If you like this video, and if you like, hit me a thumbs up. If you don't, hit me a thumbs down. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is Opaw saying goodbye. Also, check out Matchbox Mark's channel. He's a great